A God Word This. A daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. Question. You and Jesus come from one family? Next question. If you and Jesus come from one family, him proud of you or him shame of you? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends them. And if you not do it, click the subscribe button now and the notification bell too, to make sure so you don't miss none of what go on right here. So today I'm going to read from the letter to the Hebrew them chapter 2 from verse 5 to verse 13. Because the world we are going to come, the world we are talking about now, him name make angel control it. And somebody somewhere in a God word did say, God, what people want, make your business with them so. What make we are just people, matter so much to you, make you care about we. If you want a little while, you make man lower down than the angel them. You give him power, you raise him up high, like a crown you put on his head. You make him have power over everything. And when you make him in charge of everything, that means say, not there, when him not control over. But right now, we don't see say him control everything. When we see now, a Jesus, for one little while, him did the lower down than the angel them. But now, him have power. Now, God raise him up. I, like a one crown him put upon him head. Him have power and God raise him up. Cause him suffer and dead. And cause God love we so much, even though we not deserve it, he make Jesus dead for everybody. Everything a God own. And him using power make everything and keep them all them fit on. So are the right thing him do when he make the one we are going to lead people to get saved, suffer, and that way they get him right position. God do that so him could have used him to make a whole heap of people come follow him and turn God pickney them. The two of them come from one family. The one we make people good and clean, and the people them we are turn good and clean. So through that, Jesus no shame for say them are him brother and sister them. Him say to God say, me will tell me brother and sister them what you do and how you turn. When they gather for worship, me will sing him and praise you in front of the whole of them. And him say again, say, me will trust in a him. And him say this too. See me here, me there with the picnic them where God give me. And God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. little more.